Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to set up social media links on Wix website. First is you have to make sure that you are on your Wix website. And now that you're here, you just have to click on these options at the left side of your screen, the add elements option. So when you click on it, just go to the social, and on the social bar, you'll be able to see your different template that you can actually use. So I'll be using this one. Now you just have to drag this template, and once you're here, you will then just have to click on set social links. Now to link your social media accounts is you just have to click on one of this, so for example the Instagram, and then click on the linked option. So right here you will then just have to erase this and then go to your Instagram profile. Now at the top you'd be able to see here your links. You just have to copy this one and go back to Wix and paste it right here. Now you just have to click on done. Now let's go to Facebook. So when you click on this icon, you'd be able to see this linked option right here. So you just have to do the same process and go to your Facebook profile. And once you've done that, you just have to copy the link and then go back to Wix website. Now you just have to paste it right here and then click on done. So you can also add more icons. So just click on the add icons at the top, and then here you just have to search for that icon. So for example, Pinterest. So just click on it and then click on add to gallery. You can also replace or remove some of the social media icons. So for this video, I'm just using the Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. So you just have to do the same process, add a link. So go to your Pinterest profile, and then you just have to copy the link. So let's go to my profile first and then copy the link of your profile. Now I just have to go back to Wix website and paste it right here and then click on done. So after doing that, you just have to click on done. And let's try if this links works. So just have to click on the preview, and then right here, let's try to click one of this icons. So when I click on Pinterest, as you can see, I'm redirected to my profile. So just go ahead and click on the Instagram, and then click on Facebook, and be able to see that you have been redirected to your profile. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.